Who doesn't like under 10 minutes meals? So let's combine the amazing flavor combination of garlic and butter to make butter garlic shrimps, which gets ready in less than 10 minutes, and every bite is packed with flavor that you cannot resist eating. To make butter and garlic shrimps, we'll start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet and add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic to butter. Sauté it until it slightly changes its color. And then very gently we'll start adding the shrimps to the butter. Shrimps are high in protein and low in calories and good for you when you're on a diet and trying to lose some extra pounds. We'll cook each side for 2 minutes. Total cooking time for shrimps is 3 to 5 minutes or until shrimps are pink and opaque. If we overcook the shrimps, they get rubbery and chewy. After flipping the side, we'll add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now finely chop 1 teaspoon of capers. Mix everything well together and then we'll add fresh, finely chopped cilantro. Now turn off the heat and squeeze around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into the shrimps. Give it a toss and our shrimps are ready to be served. Now remove the shrimps into serving dish. In the end, garnish with some cilantro and little bit of lemon zest. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.